What is up, guys? Welcome to another how-to with Triplefundust. Today we are going to talk about how to make a Minecraft bucket server with no Hamachi or port forwarding. Now, one of the many advantages that Bucket has compared to the normal Minecraft server is that it has the ability to add in plugins relatively easy. And yeah, Bucket is kind of cool, I guess. So yeah, what we're gonna need here is we're gonna need craftbucket.jar. That's the most important thing here. We're gonna need craftbucket.jar, and yeah, I'm gonna give you the link. Now, I switch my desktop page. Whoops, yeah, Dilbert. So I switched my desktop page. Again, this is my YouTube page, guys. Go ahead and check it out. I have Twitter and Facebook on. I'm on Twitter and Facebook, and I've subscribed to kind of big names right here, and I also have 16 subscribers and 595 video views. I really hope that you guys can subscribe and like and comment if you have any feedback to my channel directly, or you can also go to my email triplefundust@gmail.com, and you can send me email and ask me about anything you want. Yeah, so to get back to the topic, go to craftbucket.jar, and I'll give you this link in the description below. So you're going to download that, and you're also going to go to tutorial setting up a server Minecraft wiki. I'll also put this same link in the description below. Now, what you're going to need here is they have a couple of platforms that you can set up a server on. There's Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, I think Windows, you need a notepad to do this, and Linux, I'm not really sure about Linux. So if you're a Windows user, open up Notepad, and yeah. So since I'm using a Mac here, I'm gonna go to Mac OS X instructions, and I'm gonna scroll all the way down to the setting up the Minecraft server. Now we're gonna copy this exact same code. Don't bother about anything else, but yeah, I'm just gonna go Command C it, which is copy, and I'm gonna open up two things here. I'm gonna open up Terminal, and I'm also gonna open up TextEdit. There, whoops, TextEdit. So I'm gonna open up TextEdit, and I'm gonna use the command Shift Command T. That will make the TextEdit format into a plain text format. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna Command V that same code that we copied into here, this plain text. Now, here's the important thing that you're gonna take note of. This Minecraft server.jar here, delete it. It's useless to us because we're not setting up a Minecraft server. We're setting up a bucket server. So what we're gonna need is change the title to craftbucket.jar. So that's gonna work, and yeah, you're gonna close it, save it as start.command. Now you can name it start bucket server or start anything you want, as long as it relates to starting your bucket server, and it has the dot command here. The dot command here is the most important, so make sure you have it, and yeah, save it. So it's gonna sit right here, start.command. So you're gonna put your craftbucket.jar into your new folder that you created, bucket server. That's what I named it. And you're gonna also put that start.command into your bucket server. So this start.command here starts your bucket server right here. So I'm gonna start it, and then when you start it, it says this: the file start.command could not be executed because you do not have the appropriate access privileges. Now, that's easily fixable. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna enable the permissions for us. We're gonna type it in here, a+x and space. Make sure you have the space. The spacing is very important. This code is space sensitive. So make sure it's space, guys, and you're gonna drag the start.command into your terminal. And you're gonna press enter. If it says anything else, like a warning or something, then there's something wrong with your code. Yeah? So, that done, we're gonna start it. And it's gonna open up a new terminal, windows and stuff, and it will make all these brand new files right here. Now, on your other terminal, we're gonna jump a step here. We're gonna type in if config and make sure this one is together. Make sure it's together. Okay. So you're gonna type in press enter, and it's gonna say all these stuff, but it's perfectly okay. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you why we need this step here later on. So once it says that this is done, once it says that this server thing is done, you're gonna press stop. Now, it's very important to press stop always, because if you don't stop it, there will be something wrong with your server and you might have to shut down and on your computer again, and we don't want that. It might also screw up some of your server files, and we don't want that as well. So to cut it in caveman language, server go boom boom. Yeah, we don't want that. So we're gonna press enter, and it's gonna say some list of stuff, saving chunks, saving worlds. And once it says process completed, you know that it is done. So exit that page, and yeah, so you're gonna well, I'm gonna delete this world.nether, but because you'll know why later. So earlier I set up a server, and I moved all my save files into my desktop, and here I named it Triplefundust server. Now my ops, I'm gonna put me as an op, Triplefundust. So what you're gonna do now is go to your plugin server.log. Now we don't need all of that currently, but I'm just gonna go replace my plugins, because I already have loads and lots of plugins in my server. Now also my server needs creative builders and admins to manage everyone fairly, I guess. So yeah, if you guys can build great stuff and have a sense of leadership, email me at triplefundust@gmail.com, and I'll add you as an op, and we can all play together and build together and have some fun. And I'm also going to make a new season called Tales of the Server with Triplefundust. Yeah, so anyways, don't care about the whitelist now. What we're gonna care about now is server.permissions. Now, so we have a couple of things that we are going to focus on today. So yeah, let's go over to our level/seed. That is useless. And server IP, that is important. Yeah, server.ip, that is important. So yeah, and also your level name. Now my level name is what you're gonna name your level. Now since I already have a level, which is Triplefundust server, I'm gonna type that in, and it's gonna work. Now server port, that's 25565 is the default port, and you if you have multiple servers, then I advise you changing it to 25560 or 25569. But I'm just gonna go keep it as 25565. Now all these are okay. Now let's head on over to the server/IP. Now, if you recall, we did this if config. Now this is when the server IP thing comes into action. You're gonna scroll all the way to EN1 and go to your inet, and you're gonna find this 10.0.1.26. That's my IP. Now I'm gonna input this 10.0.1.26. This is the most pivotal step ever. After that, MOTD means your message of the day. You can put it in anything you want. Triplefundust server. You can put anything you want. PvP, I'd like it false. And also the second most important thing that you're gonna focus on. Look at the online mode section, and you're gonna change it to false. That will enable your server to accept cracked Minecraft players, which is of course kind of plus, I guess. So what you're gonna do is quit that, save it, because it will automatically save, and then I think everything is done, and yeah, so we're gonna start that command it again. This time it will say more stuff like, okay, don't worry about all these infos, because this means that it's loading your plugins. You can also check your plugins at the bucket.plugin list. There we go, and you know, sorry, don't mind that. I've been searching for job plugins. You've made an invalid request. Okay, never mind. Yeah, there we go. So all this is all the plugins for Bucket. If you need it, I'm going to put this in the description below. Now, these are all my plugins, and it's gonna say done, and the pets is safe, but it's okay. And the permissions, just don't care about it yet. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So let's run it. Let's try to run it, and let's see if it works. Now I also haven't put in the warps yet since I restarted my whole server. So let's go here, my server, and there we go. I'm op, as you can see, and yeah. So this is my server currently, and I've also made a beautiful town, I guess. I don't know, where is it now? Probably in the distance. But yeah, I've also made a quite nice spawn point. So yeah, which doesn't enable you to punch any random block that I do not want you to press to punch block. So I'm just gonna go fly, and there we go. Here is my town, guys. Yeah, it's pretty crappy, I know. That's why I need builders. I need builders to make a better spawn point and stuff. So yeah, I'm just I have a couple of stuff here. See, jobs, warps, castle, and yeah. So I'm just gonna go set the warp here, because since I restarted it, the warps will not be saved. So I'm gonna put set warp town. So it's gonna say town warp set at your location. So that's it. That's it, guys. Yeah, this is a little brief intro of my awesome server. So thanks again for watching, guys. It's Triplefundust signing off.